Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today on this review Tuesday, and today we're going to be looking at a wire making jig, just for the point of, where I got it from. I got this one from Jewellery Maker, but you can get them from most places. I know they're all over eBay, Amazon, and most jewellery making and artistic places. So I really want to give this a go. As you can see, it's brand new in its packaging. It comes with instructions, so we're going to rip this open. So what have we got here? We've got some of the pegs in here. Are they all pegs? I think so. We've got 2 bits of wire, so I suppose that's for practicing, so you're not wasting your own wire if you just want to have a play around. Also probably gives you an idea of the size of the wire that you should be using. We've got some more pegs here. And okay, it looks like you're supposed to put it this way, so I'm not quite sure why they're on that side. Anyway, so we've got different sizes, and then we've got thinner ones here. I'm guessing that this is supposed to be, so this one goes, say, in the middle. That's not going in as easily on that particular hole. Oops. Oh, so it doesn't seem to fit in all of them. That's annoying. Okay, let's try it the other way. Is it supposed to be this way? Am I just being dumb? Nope. Okay. Alright, so consistency wise, this isn't the best. Okay, so it fits in that one. We'll go with that. So let's put this one here and then this one here. That's not the same. Is that about the same distance? No, that's too close. That'd be too close. Yeah, it's got to be those ones. Okay, so we've got them. Doesn't look perfectly matching, but that's as close as I'm going to get them. So let's open up the instructions. Yeah, that's what I thought it was going to be like. You'd do that and then you'd have another couple here of the smaller ones. Obviously I'm not going to be able to add those without trying to find loops where they work. So let's have a look. So it's got a few suggestions for us. It's got a slang, serpent, snake. Oh right, serpent, snake. Okay, I get it, it's in different languages. So creating just the that shape. Pretty sure I saw some Christmas trees that were based like just on that part of it without the bottom bit. Because I was looking, obviously when I did the Christmas tree tutorial, I was looking at what was available and I saw quite a few like that, so I was like, I gotta do something different. That's kind of interesting. That one's kind of a more traditional one that I've seen around. It's quite cute. Oh, and you've got some space here for drawing in your own if you want to create your own, which is a good idea, I suppose. And it's all numbered, so you have kind of an idea where you're going. Okay, cool. I like this. I'm just a bit annoyed that it didn't seem to fit in every single one, because then I could have done that one, but I'd need it to, I might be able to fit it. Let's see, let's give it a try. Are these all the same size, thicknesses? Okay, no, so some of them are different thicknesses. So let's just pull them all out, shall we? So you get a few, that's good. Now let's see if these all fit. So I'm guessing the side which is smooth. Okay, let's hold it in place. Okay, maybe not, let's try it that way. Oh, okay. So that fits in well. Let's try this one. See, we're having the same problem that I'm having to really force them in, oops, on some of them, which isn't great. I did see a metal jig for, it was like double the price, but honestly, for the sake of not having to fight with it, it probably would be worth paying a little bit more money. I don't like this one so much. Okay, so let's go 2 up on each side. Hopefully it'll fit in here. Oh, come on. Alright, that's it. Ha! I will not be beaten. Let's go. Must have been that one, so 1, 2. Is that the same? No, it's not far enough along there. Sorry, trying to figure out like where they are in conjunction to one another is quite difficult. Like obviously it should be on this layer. So there we go. Alright. Oh, well, that one fit in nicely and easily, so that was good. Okay, so we've got this shape here. Actually, I think I could probably go one down on that. Nope, they're staying where they are. So, as a tool, I really like the idea. I'm just not really loving how difficult that's been just to like, play with. So I'm pulling out this wire now. What have I got? I think this might be 0.4. Looking at it, I've got some 0.4 here. Yeah, so... Oh no. I think this is 0.5. So the wire they've included looks like it's 0.5. Standard round wire. I'm guessing it's probably a few meters worth. So let's just pull this out a bit. And let's start here. I'm gonna leave it so I've got a bit of a tail. And I'm gonna go this way. I suppose if you're not going right down to the bottom, like it, oh, right, great, yeah. That's helpful. I don't think I like this tool, guys. This tool's really annoying. It's not worth the energy. As an idea, it's great. Like, I love it as an idea. Just in practice, it's really freaking annoying. Okay, let's so kind of right, so now that's slipped underneath because it's not gone in properly. Hammered it and it still isn't even reaching the bottom properly. I don't like this tool. It's a great idea. It's just the actual doing it is such a pain. Right, so we'd have to go over. I can't go to the bottom because it goes underneath. And I can't hold it on the top, it's going to slip off. I don't like this tool. Okay, right, we've got there. That was a lot more energy than it was worth. Right, let's just snip that off. Let's have a look. Okay, so the wire they've included, like, it's not strong enough to hold the shape. I'm going to try a thicker gauge. I'm going to try 1mm because we always use 1mm on this channel, don't we, guys? We love a 1mm. So let's give that a go. Let's just try and clear all this up off the desk. It's just kind of getting in my own way here. Let's move all these over to the side. Packaging's ended up taking up my lights. Okay, so we'll do that. We'll take our... Actually, you know, I'm going to use we'll use one just to see if it can handle it. So let's pull it around. Okay, not too bad. Hold this in. Nah. This is really starting to annoy me. Right, let's hold that down and then pull this one. Pull. Okay, and then even the 1mm's like able to slip underneath it. Okay, and then let's like pull. Okay, and then I mean, if I could get it to go to the bottom and like push it down, like wouldn't be as bad, like holding it in place. It's just obviously that we're having these issues. Okay, let's put this here. I think with like a 0.8 it'd be easier. I just wanted to see with a thicker wire how well it works. Okay, it's ended up slipping underneath the thicker one like I felt it was going to. Come on off. Oh God. Right, so here we have it, which is definitely better than the first one, which is just why it's not suitable for this. So I don't really know why they've bothered to include it. So using a thicker gauge wire is definitely your better option. But even so, like that was a lot of effort for something that in idea, like the idea of it is really good, and I like the idea of it. I think I might try and get the metal version for a bit more, because if they can, you know, if these actually go to the bottom, and I'm pretty sure the metal one had like things that sucked on the bottom so it like didn't come. Are you kidding me? I do not like this tool's going away from me. Yeah, I don't like it. This is not approved. But I'm going to try the metal one because it looks sturdier. I'm guessing because the holes, because it's metal, the holes will be more symmetrical, or at least that's what I'm hoping. So I'm going to try and get the metal one and try this again, because in theory this should be really great for us guys and a lot easier, but that was not easy in any way, shape or form. That was a lot more effort than it was worth, and I did not enjoy it. So this particular plastic jig is not approved by me for us guys. I think this is trash and not well made. It's not consistent. You saw that I couldn't even like fit the holes in, you know, like God, I can't even get it out. I couldn't get it in and then I can't get it out. Like, how ridiculous. It didn't even go all the way to the bottom, and some of the holes it just doesn't even fit in, and then you end up with these like big gaps. And what use is that if you try to put wire around it? Oh, I don't like this tool. So yeah, it's not consistent. I don't think it's good enough. I don't recommend it. But like I say, I'm going to try the metal version, the metal jig, because I think if it's sturdier and the holes are more consistent, this could be a really great tool for us from the point of view of not having to do as much, and energy wise it would be energy saving and we create more shapes. But this one, no, I hate it. I don't like it. So thank you all for watching. I think this is the first review Tuesday I've actually disliked the tool that I've used. So thank you guys all for watching. Thank you for giving me your time and energy. If you could hit that thumbs up button to support me, even though we dislike the product, don't just dislike the video, like me. Also, if you could hit that subscribe button and support me on my journey, and if you want to be notified every time I upload, there's a little bell icon next to the subscribe button, and that will give you notifications every time I upload. Also, there's a Facebook group if anyone wants to join. I'll put that in the description bar below, the description box. Otherwise, I think that is everything for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you all, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye.